The Turkish military has a legacy reaching back to the powerful Ottoman Empire, playing a crucial role in Turkey's history and identity. Since the Republic of Turkey was founded in 1923, the military has become a pillar of national stability and sovereignty. As a NATO member, Turkey possesses one of the alliance's largest and most formidable armed forces, second only to the United States. The Turkish armed forces, comprising the Army, Navy, Air Force, and elite special forces, are recognized for their significant strategic influence in both NATO and the Middle East. In recent decades, Turkey has placed a strong emphasis on modernizing its military to ensure it remains a capable and autonomous force. This commitment to military development has propelled Turkey's defense industry, notably companies like Aselsan and Roketsan, which lead in producing sophisticated technology recognized worldwide. By investing heavily in indigenous defense technology, Turkey aims not only to protect its interests, but also to reduce reliance on foreign arms and strengthen its defense industry. The modernization was showcased spectacularly during the military parade held in Nicosia, the capital of Cyprus, in July 2024, marking the 50th anniversary of the Cyprus peace operation. This military parade honored the past while illustrating Turkey's current military strength. Spectators witnessed advanced military vehicles and weaponry, signaling Turkey's readiness to address regional defense challenges. The showcase drew attention from around the globe, emphasizing Turkey's technological capabilities and strategic resolve. This was not just a parade, but a calculated display of power designed to project Turkey's defense readiness and advancements. Among the equipment on display were domestically produced drones, armored vehicles, and missile defense systems. Turkey's focus on indigenous weapons production, especially unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, has positioned it as a leader in drone warfare and other high-tech weaponry. This display of military innovation reflects Turkey's strategic ambition to not only modernize its forces, but to export these technologies worldwide, with combat drones such as the Bayraktar TB2 and TB3 now used by various countries and recognized globally for their effectiveness in conflicts. The Nicosia parade carried deep diplomatic significance, sending a strong message of solidarity with Turkish Cypriots and reiterating Turkey's commitment to their security. Since Turkey's intervention in 1974, which resulted in the division of Cyprus, tensions between Turkey and Greece have persisted, with Cyprus often at the center of regional disputes. The parade reaffirmed Turkey's stance, with military vehicles in Nicosia symbolizing ongoing support for the Turkish Republic of Northern Cyprus. For Turkey, this display is not just about projecting military might, but about demonstrating solidarity and commitment to the Turkish Cypriot community's safety and autonomy. Turkey's robust defense posture is central to its international strategy. By displaying sophisticated defense technology, Turkey aimed to reaffirm its position as a leading military power in the region, prepared to defend its interests and allies. The parade also underscores the complexities of Turkey-Cyprus relations, hinting that Turkey's commitment to a Turkish Cypriot presence is as strong as ever. While diplomatic dialogues have sought to address the island's division, Turkey's demonstration in Nicosia highlights its stance that Turkish Cypriot rights and security are non-negotiable. Despite the spectacle, the Cyprus conflict remains complex, with sovereignty and minority rights as significant hurdles. While military strength underscores Turkey's commitment, Ankara has shown interest in diplomatic resolutions, provided they respect Turkey's strategic and cultural ties to Cyprus. Turkey has made it clear that while its military remains prepared, it remains equally open to international cooperation, advocating for peace through strength. The parade also underscores Turkey's readiness to engage in regional and global partnerships. Its defense industry, bolstered by R&D and collaboration with international companies, has led to advancements in various domains, including UAV technology, missile systems, and naval assets. Turkey has demonstrated a commitment to maintaining its military edge, evidenced by the extensive range of weapons and systems on display, showcasing independence from foreign suppliers and a robust national defense industry. For instance, Aselsan's technological developments and Roketsan's missile advancements are internationally recognized, with exports increasing every year. This parade represents more than just a show of force. It's a diplomatic tool demonstrating Turkey's resolve for stability and security in the Eastern Mediterranean. By showcasing its advanced technology, Turkey communicated its readiness to maintain its influence and protect its allies in the region. Turkish military technology, including sophisticated drone systems and advanced radar technologies, demonstrates the country's long-term goal of maintaining autonomy in defense capabilities while supporting NATO allies and regional partners. Looking ahead, Turkey's focus on advancing its defense industry aligns with its dual approach to the Eastern Mediterranean, combining a powerful deterrent with strategic diplomacy. As it pursues state-of-the-art technology and modern combat capabilities, Turkey also actively engages in dialogue and cooperation with regional and global actors to ensure stability. The priority for Turkey lies in a balanced approach. While increasing its military self-sufficiency and expanding its defense production, Turkey also recognizes that a lasting solution in Cyprus will require genuine engagement with the international community and open dialogue with all stakeholders involved. Turkey's involvement in Cyprus, exemplified by the 50th anniversary parade, signifies both a show of strength and a reminder of its enduring support for Turkish Cypriots. As Turkey continues its defense investments and advances its indigenous defense industry, its influence in the Eastern Mediterranean is expected to deepen. This growth not only serves as a protective measure for its interests, but also enhances its standing in diplomatic negotiations over contentious regional issues like Cyprus, energy resources, and maritime boundaries. Turkey's development of cutting-edge technology, including autonomous vehicles, air defense systems, and sophisticated naval equipment, highlights its intent to reduce dependency on foreign technology and, by extension, build a resilient national security framework. In a rapidly evolving geopolitical landscape, Turkey's strategy reflects a nuanced understanding of power dynamics. By strengthening its domestic defense industry, it increases leverage in any diplomatic engagement related to Cyprus. With the parade symbolizing Turkey's commitment to defense autonomy, the nation underscores its readiness to act as a major regional player. This commitment extends beyond Cyprus. It reflects Turkey's ambition to secure its role as a self-reliant, influential military force capable of shaping regional stability and, if necessary, ensuring its national interests through both diplomatic channels and defense readiness. As Turkey continues this trajectory, its impact on both the Eastern Mediterranean and the broader international community is poised to grow, positioning it as a formidable power balancing modernity with tradition, independence with alliance building. Thanks for watching, and make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and put notifications on to stay updated on everything related to AI, robotics, and military technology.